Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to have multiple video quality options on Twitch. So first of all, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to double check if the Twitch app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and get right on it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and open up the Twitch app, and as you can see right here, this is like the Twitch home feed. I'm going to just go ahead and click on this channel, for example, and I'm going to just mute this live. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to just go ahead into clicking let me just let the ad just run out, or let the ad just go away. Basically what I'm gonna do after the ad is, after the ad is done, I'm gonna just go ahead into adding my own, I'm gonna just let's just wait for like 5 seconds, and then I'm gonna just go ahead right here, and I'm gonna just go ahead after the ad is done. I'm gonna just see right here like a settings gear on the inside the live, right, basically. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just let me just close this one, right? I'm gonna close it, click on the settings gear, and it's gonna open up an option for you to be able to see the qualities of the live video, right? So basically what you're gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead, let me close this one, I'm gonna just close this one, go ahead right and click the settings gear again. It's gonna open up like a video and audio option. Just basically right here hit auto, and basically what's gonna happen is it's gonna set the quality for your own internet connection or your cellular data connection, right? If it was high or if it was strong, sorry, you'll be able to get the best out of it. But if you don't, you're gonna be able to get the lowest quality so you can see that video. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.